In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Fullwidth portfolio module. The Fullwidth portfolio module works just like the normal one, except that it displays it in a new full-width manner. If you look at our Divi demo and scroll down on the home page, you can see an example of the full-width portfolio carousel here. So let's go over how to create a portfolio. First thing you're going to need to do is add some projects. Now when you install Divi, you're going to see you have a unique post type called projects here, which will be used inside the portfolio modules. So the first thing you're going to have to do is add some new projects. So go to projects, add new. I'm just going to add a quick test project here. And now for each project, you're going to need to add a featured image. So scroll down and select the set featured image button and choose a featured image. This would be whatever piece of art or design that you're showing off in your portfolio, and publish, and there you go, you're done. Now if I go and look at all my projects, I've already added quite a few, so I already have a good portfolio going here. Now all I need to do is display these portfolio items using the portfolio module. So I have a page here already built called About Our Team. Here's our design team, and I'm going to display our projects here right above our call to action. Here's the build a representation of that page. If I scroll down to our call to action, I'm going to add a new full width section right above our call to action section. You need to use a full width section to use the full width modules. So once you add it, click the insert modules button, and then select the full width portfolio module right here. Now you can add a title, which will appear above your portfolio. I'm going to leave it blank. You can also choose a layout, grid, or carousel. A grid will display a full width grid with multiple rows, while a carousel will only display one row, which you can slide through. So for this example, you've already seen the carousel. I showed you that earlier on the demo. So this time I'm going to use the grid option. I'm going to select grid. Then I'm going to choose my category. You can choose any number of categories. I'm just going to choose one. You can choose whether or not to show your title and your date. These appear on hover when you hover over a project image. So if you want to disable these, you can. I'm going to leave them enabled. You can also choose your text color, which will affect the text color on hover. If you choose dark, then your text is going to be dark and the overlay is going to be light. And if you choose light, then your text is going to be light and your overlay is going to be dark. It really just depends what kind of aesthetic you have going on your page. In this case, I'm going to choose to have light text. If you chose carousel, then you can decide whether or not you want that carousel to slide automatically. We chose grid, so it doesn't matter. And then also you have of course, your admin label, CSS ID, and CSS class options, which I'm going to leave blank for now. Save. All right, you can see my portfolio has been added here. Now if we update, and take a look at our page, you can see that now I have this full width grid of images here. If I click on any of these, it's going to bring us into the project page. And there you go. That's a basic overview of how to use the full width portfolio module.